Hey everyone! So we're going to revisit the sink strainer. I've done it before with a drag, and this time I just want to try it in the middle and just do a dirty pour into it. If you watch Art by Fars, she did it that way. It came out pretty cool, so I thought I'd give it a try. So I'm going to spray that sink strainer with my WD-40 first, though, because it makes cleanup easier. So we're going to start with a dirty pour, and I'm going to use white, Craft Smart Blue Ice Pearl, this is Lucas Steel Blue. It's a new color that I just got. I absolutely love it. It reminds me of like denim. It's very pretty. Faded denim, of course. And then we're going to throw in some Craft Smart Midnight Blue. This is, I believe, a metallic as well. It's like a very dark pewter. And we're going to follow that with some gold. I was going to do silver, but silver just seems to get lost. And of course, some black. Okay, and then we're going to repeat. Not as much paint this time, just a little bit here and there. This is only a 12 by 12 canvas, so we don't need a lot of paint. We do, however, want it to go over the sides, so. And all my paint has treadmill silicone in it. Okay. So I don't even want to do a swirl in the cup. I just want to leave it how I layered it. But I do want to put some black on the very corners. And this does not have silicone in it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pinch our cup. This is why I like the paper cups. And we're just going to pour. So you're probably watching this video while I'm on vacation. I'm definitely filming quite a few, so I can upload one every day or every other day while I'm there. And when I get home, I'm going to have a ton of paintings to clean and varnish. So we may do a video on that again. So we're getting to the end of the paint that's coming out. It's pretty cool. I love this here. Let's see if I can get you up real close. So this is where you have to be careful when you're taking this off, because all that paint needs to come out of there. And it's going to want to continue to drip. So I'm going to get ready with my cup. And I'm going to slide my hand under real quick. So that looks pretty neat. I think I might want to get my skewer in there and pull some of that towards the middle. Because there's a ton of paint there, and I'm not doing every one of them. But I want some type of pattern to come out of that. Okay. So now we're going to stretch it out. Always come back to your center. And I'm going to head down to this corner here opposite without going over, if at all possible. Okay, so get all my paint back in the middle, and I'm going to come down here. And we do have a little coming off the edge here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hand here, because we have to go over now, or we'll end up with a weird pattern. And now I'm going to go ahead and head to the corner that's opposite there. And I'm rocking the canvas so that the paint evenly goes over. We lost all our definition. But it's still pretty. And that middle is opening up with some cells. It's very pretty. So let me go ahead and get this last corner, and then we can fudge around with it a little bit. Because I like the white that's stretching out there, so I may bring this right up to the corner and leave it. So I do think that's pretty cool looking. Let me turn it towards me, because I like it this way too. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave that. That looks pretty cool, but I do want to torch it and see if we get some more cells. And if I sound hoarse, it's because I'm really tired. This is Tuesday, the day after my live, and we stayed up very late last night. So I'm very tired today. But I only had to work a half a day taking care of my brother-in-law, so it was a little easier for me. So I'm getting laundry done because I need to start packing, and yay. The fun part about vacation. Not. So I'm popping all the air bubbles, and now I'm going to bring up some cells, hopefully. There's a few popping up here and there. And I'm about 5 inches away from the canvas. That was a neat cell that just popped up. So this will continue to change over the next hour or so. Actually, the paintings that I did last night changed quite a bit. But if you're just joining me, go ahead and click subscribe below. Click on the bell next to that button and you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Shop on my Etsy shop if you're interested in paintings or jewelry. And check out my supply list shop on Amazon. And you can find everything that I use there, from the washing machine trays, the pads, the torch, the airbrush, everything that I use is there. And you can just click through there and do your shopping. So, but thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you when I get back from vacation. Bye now.